Kingsmith R2 treadmill disassembly instruction video. The tools that need to be used are a suction cup, Phillips screwdriver, slotted screwdriver, hexagon socket set, needle nose pliers, cutting pliers, and tweezers. Remove the appearance of plastic parts. First, remove the top cover of the motor with a suction cup, then unplug the terminal connected to the upper control, and then replace the upper control. Use a flat blade screwdriver to pry the side strip decorative non-slip sticker, and then tear it off, the same steps as the 4 decorative stickers. Remove the screws that fix the side strips in turn. Then loosen the knob of the armrest a little to remove the front side strip, and the left and right operations are the same. After removing the rear side strip, the rear bottom cover can be removed, and the rear roller can be replaced after removing the rear bottom cover. Then remove the screw in the middle of the fixed locking block, and then loosen the knob of the armrest. You can remove the entire armrest. The left and right operations are the same. Then remove the upper cover of the motor. At this point, all the plastic parts of the machine head are removed and the lower control can be replaced. Remove the roller and front aluminum frame and bottom cover. Fold the treadmill, remove the screws, and then remove the front roller. Then remove the screws that fix the front frame and the front bottom cover in turn, and then pry off the wire ties that fix the wiring harness on both sides to remove the front frame and the front bottom cover. At this step, you can replace the lower line of the safety lock on the left side of the bottom cover and the column sensor on the right side. Change the running belt. Then you can remove the running belt and replace it. First, remove the screw that fixes the knob, and then remove the knob. Then remove the screws that fix the shaft seat in turn and then remove the shaft seat. Then remove the 2 screws that fix the armrest tube bundle in turn and then remove the armrest tube. Remove the screws that fix the upper and lower covers of the armrests on the turn. Then remove the upper and lower covers, unplug the terminal of the safety lock base connection line, and then cut the wire tie that fixes the spring wire to take out the spring wire of the column. Remove the screws that fix the sliding block, and then remove the sliding block. When installing, pay attention to the short side facing out and the long side facing inward. To install the column spring wire, first pass a tooling wire through the column tube, then tie the column spring wire at one end, and then thread the wire in the direction of the column tube. Then install the armrest tube, fix the spring wire of the column to the rotating shaft seat, install the rotating shaft seat, and lock the screws in turn. Fix the spring wire of the column with a cable tie, connect it back to the safety lock base, install the upper and lower cover of the armrest, and lock the screws in turn. Then reinstall the knob, fix the screws, and complete the disassembly and assembly of the armrest. Replace the pressure sensor and folding sensor. First, remove the screw that fixes the locking block, remove the locking block, and then remove the folding sensor, then remove the screw that fixes the pressure sensor, remove the pressure piece, and then replace the pressure sensor. The left and right operations are the same. Installed. Reinstall the front bottom cover in the front frame, and fix the screws in turn. Reinstall the front roller, fix the screws, and install the belt to adjust. Reinstall the rear bottom cover, connect the upper and lower control wires, reinstall the motor upper cover, reconnect the wires to the upper control, and install the motor top cover. Reinstall the rear side strips, fix the screws in turn, and paste the decorative stickers on the rear side strips. Reinstall the armrest, turn the knob halfway in, and reinstall the limit screw in the middle of the locking block. Then install the front side strip. The left connecting wire should pass through the wire hole at the side strip. Install the cable plug, and fix the screws on the turn. Finally, paste the decorative sticker on the front side strip to complete the disassembly and assembly of the whole machine.